Need a simple yet powerful booking platform? This Appointlet review is for you. Check the description for links and resources. Appointlet streamlines scheduling for businesses, freelancers, and teams. Perfect for client-facing industries like consulting, education, healthcare, and sales, Appointlet makes managing meetings easy. Create custom booking pages reflecting your brand with your logo, colors, and message. Clients book based on your availability. Appointlet integrates seamlessly with Google Calendar and Outlook, preventing double bookings and showing clients only open slots. For virtual meetings, Appointlet connects with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet, automatically generating meeting links. Offer various booking types: one-on-one, group, and recurring. Assign specific team members to appointments, letting clients choose who they meet. Accept payments upfront via Stripe and PayPal. Automated email confirmations and reminders keep everyone on track, reducing no-shows. Appointlet supports multiple languages and time zones, ideal for global businesses. Built-in analytics help you optimize scheduling. While simple and user-friendly, Appointlet may lack advanced features for larger organizations. Overall, it's a reliable, cost-effective solution for easy booking, saving time and boosting customer satisfaction. Learn more in the description below, and share your thoughts in the comments.